We're in 2026, and the affiliate marketing landscape looks nothing like it did just a year ago. Most of the tactics that were hyped in 2025 have already faded away. But one system didn't just survive the year, it set the standard for what works now. Today, let's break down Affiliate Arsenal 2025. This isn't about chasing trends or quick wins. It's about understanding the blueprint that was built to last, and why it's still relevant in a market that changes faster than ever. Affiliate Arsenal 2025 wasn't designed for shortcuts. It was engineered for resilience. While others were busy chasing viral hacks, spinning up one-page funnels, or blasting out low-trust promotions, Affiliate Arsenal focused on the fundamentals that never go out of style: intent, trust, systems, and automation. That's why it didn't collapse when algorithms shifted or platforms changed the rules. Blueprints built for speed break under pressure. Blueprints built for structure endure. So what exactly is Affiliate Arsenal 2025? It's not a tool, a tactic, or a single funnel. It's a complete operating system for affiliate marketing. At its core, it's built on 4 essential layers: assets, trust, offers, and automation. Most affiliates only ever build one of these layers. Affiliate Arsenal 2025 required all 4 working together. That's the difference between earning occasionally and earning predictably, month after month. Let's look at the 4 pillars that made this blueprint different. First, evergreen assets. These are content pieces that compound over time instead of expiring. Search-driven pages, evergreen videos, and reusable frameworks that don't depend on daily posting or chasing the latest trend. Second, trust infrastructure. This means building email lists, positioning yourself as an authority, and focusing on education before promotion. Because links don't convert, trust does. Third, high-intent offers. Not just random products or trendy tools, but offers with proven demand, urgency, and real pain points. The blueprint was always offer first, not content first. And fourth, automation and leverage. Email sequences, follow-up logic, simple funnels, and AI-assisted workflows. If a process couldn't run without constant manual effort, it didn't belong in the system. AI played a role in Affiliate Arsenal 2025, but it was used the right way. It accelerated research, helped draft content, tested variations, and optimized systems. But the judgment always stayed human. People who tried to replace thinking with AI failed. Those who used AI to think better scaled faster and more sustainably. Affiliate Arsenal 2025 also flipped the traditional model. Instead of asking, "What content should I make?" it started with, "Who is already buying? Why now? What's stopping the decision?" Only then was content created to address those needs. That's why small affiliates using this blueprint often outperformed creators with massive audiences. Alignment beat volume every time. Traffic wasn't the problem in 2025. Structure was. Affiliate Arsenal 2025 focused on intent mapping, message sequencing, trust escalation, and follow-up logic. One qualified visitor in the right sequence was worth more than thousands of random clicks. Conversions were engineered, not left to chance. Scaling didn't mean working harder. It meant leveraging proven frameworks, stacking evergreen assets, and letting automation and AI handle repetition and iteration. Growth came from better architecture, not more hustle. Most affiliates thought like promoters, always chasing the next click. Affiliate Arsenal 2025 trained people to think like operators, building systems that convert repeatedly. That mindset is why this blueprint didn't expire. Affiliate Arsenal 2025 wasn't built to impress. It was built to last. And that's why, even now, it remains one of the few affiliate blueprints that still makes sense in a noisy, AI-driven market. Like subscribe and turn on notifications, because systems outlive trends. Blueprints built right don't expire.